Welcome back everyone. Today, we're excited to bring you something different. Instead of our usual fun facts, we're diving into interactive animal quizzes that will challenge your knowledge and spark your curiosity. But beware, cheaters will find no solace here. We encourage you to rely on your own knowledge rather than searching for answers online or skipping questions. Let's see who among us is the ultimate animal expert. Number 1. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Great white shark? Saltwater crocodile? Or the African lion? With a bite force of over 3,700 psi, this reptilian powerhouse outshines both the great white shark, with a bite force of around 1,700 psi, and the African lion, with a bite force of around 1,000 psi. The saltwater crocodile's jaw is not only exceptionally powerful, but it is also equipped with sharp teeth that can tear through even the toughest hides. Number 2. Which animal can sleep with one brain hemisphere while the other is awake? Dolphin? Cat? Or the owl? When it comes to sleeping habits, the dolphin reigns supreme with its unique ability to sleep with one brain hemisphere while the other remains awake. This phenomenon is called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which means that only half of the dolphin's brain is asleep at any given time. This incredible adaptation allows the dolphin to rest while also remaining alert to potential predators, ensuring its survival in the deep ocean. Cats and owls, on the other hand, sleep in a more typical fashion where both sides of their brain are in a state of sleep. Number 3. Which animal has the largest eyes? Giant squid? Ostrich? Or the elephant? The animal with the largest eyes in the world is not the elephant, with its large round eyes, nor is it the ostrich with its large forward-facing eyes. It is in fact the giant squid that takes the crown for the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. These deep-sea creatures can have eyes that are nearly a foot in diameter, allowing them to see in the dark depths of the ocean where very little light penetrates. These eyes are so large that they are comparable in size to a human's head. Number 4. What's the only mammal that can't sweat? Elephant? Bear? Or the monkey? When it comes to sweat glands, the elephant is the lone mammal without them. This means that they are unable to cool down through sweating, unlike other mammals. Despite their large bodies and thick skin, elephants have other ways of regulating their body temperature, such as flapping their large ears to increase airflow and using their trunks to spray water on their skin. Number 5. What's the fastest land animal? Gazelle? Lion? Or cheetah? Hands down, it's the cheetah. With a top speed of around 75 miles per hour, this sleek cat is the king of speed in the animal kingdom. The cheetah is built for speed with its long slender body, powerful legs, and enlarged nostrils for rapid air intake. They can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Number 6. How many stomachs does a cow have? 2? 4? Or 7? A cow's digestive system is a complex and fascinating one. Unlike humans, who only have a single stomach, cows have 4 separate stomach compartments that work together to break down the plant material that they eat. The largest of these stomachs, the rumen, contains millions of bacteria that help to break down the tough cellulose that cows eat. This process, known as rumination, allows the cow to extract all the nutrients they need from their diet. Number 7. What's the fastest bird in level flight? Peregrine falcon? Common swift? Or European golden plover? The common swift holds the record for the fastest bird in level flight. It can reach speeds of up to 69 miles per hour, 111 kilometers per hour. The peregrine falcon is known for its incredible diving speed, reaching over 200 miles per hour during a stoop, but in level flight, it is not as fast as the common swift. The European golden plover is also a fast flyer, but does not match the speed of the common swift in level flight. Number 8. Which of these animals can drink seawater? Dolphin? Seal? Or whale? The answer is all 3. Dolphins, seals, and whales are all marine mammals that have adapted to life in the sea, and part of that adaptation includes the ability to drink seawater without becoming dehydrated. Dolphins have a special gland in their kidneys that filters out excess salt from seawater, while seals and whales have a system of concentrated urine and specialized salt glands that help them get rid of excess salt. Number 9. Which is the smallest living primate? Pygmy marmoset? Philippine tarsier? Or mouse lemur? The smallest living primate award goes to the pygmy marmoset. Weighing in at just 3.5 to 4 ounces, 100 to 114 grams, and standing at around 5 to 6 inches tall, the pygmy marmoset is the smallest monkey in the world. Number 10. Which animal has the largest brain in relation to its body size? Whale? Elephant? Or human? The animal with the largest brain in relation to its body size is actually the human. Although whales and elephants have larger brains than humans in terms of absolute size, when you compare the brain size to body size, humans come out on top. The human brain represents about 2% of our body weight, which is significantly more than the brains of whales and elephants in relation to their body weight. Number 11. Which animal is known for its ability to regenerate its own limbs? Starfish? Axolotl? Or the newt? The axolotl, scientifically known as Ambystoma mexicana, is a fascinating creature native to Mexico, with the remarkable ability to regenerate lost or damaged body parts, including limbs, tail, and even the spinal cord. Unlike many other animals, they retain the ability to regrow lost limbs and other tissues throughout their lives, making them excellent models for studying regeneration in vertebrates. Number 12. What's the only mammal that can't jump? Rhino? Hippo? Or elephant? Of all the mammals, the elephant is the only one that can't jump. Unlike other large animals like the hippo and the rhino, elephants' weight distribution is not conducive to jumping, due to the placement of their center of gravity and their thick columnar legs that are not built for launching. Elephants may not be able to jump, but they are remarkable creatures with their own unique physical adaptations that have allowed them to survive and thrive in their environments. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and for more quizzes please subscribe.